let us learn some array basics. So we have used actually character arrays earlier. Let us try this integer array. So this is a array where 3 members can be stored, and as array definition says that all the members are of same types, and whatever type we declare, all the members are of that type. And the first member is actually called the 0th member. In an arrow, the number starts with 0, index number it is called. So suppose at 0 I fill 1, at 1 I fill 2, these are all integer values I am filling, and at I have to fill it at 2. 2 I fill 3. So 3 member integers I have filled up. I may also initialize array in a different way. So I'll create a different array now. P I have already used, so I'll use a Q array now. And I can initialize like this. Because this is an array, so I'll initialize like this: 10, 20, 30. So this way also I can give values directly. And see, just to show you that this works well, I have now done it for counting this, plus adding values will be a good test, because these are simple integer arrays. 2 and L, and similarly we can add values for Q also. So because this is also a similar kind of integer array, initialize with different values. So let us check only this much, how it has performed. I'll save the program. I have already named it as ARR1, and I'll build and run this. Let us see what happens. It should give this result. Sum of 1, 2, 3, which is 6, and sum of 10, 20, 30, which is 60. So till this point it is okay. Now we can have different types of arrays. Say a float array, and I can directly initialize it also. Suppose I initialize it with things like 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and I can print this as well. So this will be float array F. So these are member numbers starting from index 0. Save it and then run it. Just to show you that array can have similar data types, but any kind of data type. So the float answer has also come. Now we'll also type regular character array, which we have used earlier, but now we'll initialize it. If I just give no value within this brackets, what happens is whatever number of characters I initialize here becomes the size of array automatically. And if I cout, say just ch 0, so obviously what it should print is very clear, that 0th member, which is small h here, just to test. And I'll just see what is there at, because this is 0th member, first member, second member, third member, fourth member. At 5th member there should be a null, because whenever we initialize with a string literal the character sequence, in the end it automatically puts a null character. This we learned while learning strings. So we can see if ch5 relation equal to, and null character we can write as \0. If this is so, then we'll simply cout as null confound. Okay, we'll do and L here also. So let us see what is the result of this. In this case also, this first character has come H and the fifth character, which is fifth index actually, is null. This it confirms. Now we'll also learn one more type of array, which is a string object array. So I can define it like this, where whatever number is given in the definition becomes my array size. So I'll define it with 3 strings, Jack and Jill. So these are string object arrays. So I can define it like directly like this. So 3 string objects I have defined. Interesting. And we can see out in a similar way, like str0 followed by str1 followed by str2, and in the end, and L for end of line, and that's it. That way we have now created a string where string objects, further strings are defined. We'll save this. This is a simpler method. Build and run. So Jack and Jill. And obviously if you want to give space, we can either give space here or space here itself within the literal. So this will give a space also. Jack and Jill space. So this way we have learned the basics of arrays, that all similar data types have to be there when we define arrays, and the array size is definable directly, or it takes automatically by whatever count of characters or number of objects, or it is possible even here if I remove this, it will automatically actually take 3 size. So that is also there. So it takes size from whatever number of members I declare initialize, or we can fix size initially and later keep on adding members. And whatever is the data type here, it becomes the data type for each of the member of array, and the index starts from 0. So these are all the array basics. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.